Want to remove a selected person from your favorite photos using Photoshop? You are in the right place. Let's get started. Here's a breakdown of the most easy method to do this. We will be using the Content-Aware Fill tool. To use this tool, open Photoshop and open the image from which you want to remove people. Next, select the person. You need to use a selection tool like the lasso, polygonal lasso, or pen tool to carefully select the person you want to remove. Select the tool and draw a mask around the person as closely as possible. Once done, head over to the Edit menu and then select Fill. In the Fill dialog box, choose Content Aware as the type. In here, you can also experiment with settings like color adaptation and scale to fine-tune the results to your liking. Finally, click OK to allow Photoshop to fill the selected area with content from the surrounding image. There you have it. You have successfully removed people from your images using Adobe Photoshop. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.